Everyone thinks the best-selling bubble blowers are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Size & Joy Bubble Machine White. First up is the Size & Joy Bubble Machine in white. Priced at $26.99, it's caught my eye with its promise of 18,000 big bubbles per minute. If you want your kids to enjoy a constant flow of bubbles without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This machine can produce a whopping 18,000 bubbles every minute with its 6 spinning wands. Plus, it's got 2 speed settings, so you can switch it based on how much bubble action you want. The large 320 ml tank means you won't be refilling constantly, allowing for 30 minutes of continuous bubble fun. The safety materials used ensure that it's safe for kids and pets, which is a big deal for parents. With over 1,700 reviews and a solid 4.1-star rating, a lot of families are enjoying this already. Now some people complain that it can be a bit noisy. Here's the thing though, if your kids are having fun, a little noise is probably the least of your worries, right? It might bother some, but honestly, it's a small price to pay for endless bubble joy. This is perfect for you if you're looking to throw a party or just want to keep the kids entertained for hours. Skip this one if you're looking for absolute silence while they play. For the price, it offers fantastic value and endless smiles. Now, if the noise level is a concern for you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Size & Joy Bubble Machine Black. Next up is another Size & Joy Bubble Machine, but this time in black, also priced at $26.99. It shares a lot of the same features as the white version, but let's dig into what makes it stand out. If you want an eye-catching machine that keeps the bubble fun going, this is worth checking out. This machine also spits out an impressive 18,000 bubbles per minute with those 6 wands. The dual speed feature is great, letting you switch it up depending on the mood. It's designed for outdoor and indoor use, making it flexible for any occasion. The large 320 ml tank again means less refilling, and it's made from safe, durable materials that won't harm your kids or pets. It's no wonder it's another bestseller with over 5,000 sold this past month. However, some reviews noted that it may not work as well in windy conditions. Here's my take: if you're using it outdoors, just pick a calm day to maximize bubble output. It's still a great option, just keep that in mind. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish bubble machine that delivers performance. Skip this one if your setup is often windy or unpredictable. For the price, you get a machine that's both fun and reliable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a more interactive experience. Product number 3, Unaking Dino Bubble Gun. Coming in hot at number 3 is the Unaking Dino Bubble Gun, priced at $18.99 for a 2-pack. This one really caught my attention with its fun dinosaur design. If you want your kids to have a blast while being active, this is worth a serious look. These bubble guns are fully automatic and can churn out over 5,000 bubbles per minute, thanks to its high-speed motor. What's really cool is the blue LED lights that activate with each bubble, perfect for day or night play. Plus, it comes with 4 bottles of bubble solution, so you'll be covered for multiple sessions. It's lightweight and designed for toddlers, making it easy for little hands to hold. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 1,000 reviews, it's clearly a hit among kids. Now, some parents mention that the battery life isn't as long as they hoped. Here's the thing: if you keep it charged, the fun shouldn't stop. Just plan ahead for longer play sessions. This is perfect for you if your kids enjoy running around and want something they can easily handle. Skip it if you're looking for something quieter or more stationary. For the price, it's a fantastic way to get your kids moving. Now, if that doesn't quite fit your needs, this next one offers a slightly different approach with its design and function. Product number 4, Nickmore Bubble Gun Machine. Next, we have the Nickmore Bubble Gun Machine, a 2-pack for just $17.99. With a 4.5-star rating from 420 reviews, it's loved for its premium build quality. If you want a reliable bubble gun that's easy to take anywhere, this is worth a serious look. These bubble guns are made with quality materials, promising durability. They produce a continuous stream of vibrant bubbles, which is ideal for outdoor fun, whether at a birthday party or just in the backyard. The lightweight design makes them portable for playdates or trips to the park. Plus, you get 2 bubble solutions included, ensuring the fun lasts. However, some users found that the batteries ran out relatively quickly. Here's the thing though, consider investing in rechargeable batteries to keep the fun going longer without the hassle of constant replacements. This is perfect for you if you want something that's both fun and easy to carry. Skip this one if you're not keen on changing batteries often. For under $20, it offers great value for endless bubble fun. Now, if you want something a bit more powerful and ready to go, the last product on our list might just blow you away. Product number 5, Kismore Bubble Machine. Finally, we have the Kismore Bubble Machine, which is priced at $18.66. It promises to deliver over 20,000 bubbles per minute, which genuinely surprised me. If you're looking for a high-output bubble maker, this is certainly worth a serious look. This bubble machine features a fully enclosed structure to prevent leaks, making it safer for kids running around. With 6 AA batteries included and a decent-sized 200 ml bubble solution, you can get started right away. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to take to parties, picnics, and more. Plus, it's made from durable materials that are safe for kids and pets, so you can feel good about letting them chase bubbles. Some complaints noted it might not last as long as expected. Here's my perspective. If you take care of it and use the right bubble solution, it should provide plenty of fun. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful bubble machine that's also safe. Skip this if you're looking for a more compact option. For just under $20, it's a fantastic choice that delivers on fun. So there you have it, 5 fantastic options for bubble machines that cater to different needs and preferences. To wrap it all up, we explored the Size Enjoy machines, both in white and black, the interactive Unaking Dino bubble guns, the Nickmore bubble gun machine, and finally the powerful Kismore bubble machine. Each offers unique features that cater to different types of play. Depending on what you're looking for, there's definitely something here for every bubble-loving child.